Hi traders, this is Mario from fxotherway, the channel for traders run by a trader. In this video I will show you why support and resistance lines are not horizontal lines as many used to draw them. I will show you how to determine these lines the other way and how to use them in order to forecast exact trend reversal points in the market. I'm sure if you watch this video to the end, you will substantially improve your trading and you will certainly get the better edge. So let's start the rock and roll. So I've got an empty chart of Euro USD over here, and I'm just curious, it's 23rd of January 2020, it's 1600 GMT, which is like 10 o'clock New York time at the moment. By the way, have you been caught by this spike over here when the money makers or whoever banks try to get rid of all the stops here before they run down the market? I hope you didn't. I hope you took the position over here at 16th of January, as I told you in one of my previous videos. I hope you are on the right side of the market at the moment, and it's still going. It looks like it will continue big time. But it's not the issue I wanted to talk with you about. So, usually, support resistance lines. Mostly people draw them like that. They say, yeah, this is support resistance. Yeah, the price comes here and here. But as you see over here, that's the area when all the stops are gone usually. Even if you take the position here, you'll be stopped out here as well, like you'll be stopped out here because it's strong support and resistance lines. We might say it is zone of support and resistance. This zone is much bigger, but it's not support or resistance line from my point of view. This zone of support and resistance looks like that way, I suppose. That's the zone, the whole this area, it's support and resistance. In my opinion, supports and resistance go other way. Just let me show it right now. Just let me get rid of those two bloody lines, and here we go. So we're starting here with the first one. Let's presume we draw trend line by angle, which we can find somewhere here. Trend line by angle is, where is it? It is somewhere here, wherever you'll find it. Trend line by angle. Here we go. Lines, trend line by angle. I got it over here. So let's draw it. From the very bottom of this funny movement, small correction of that move, let's draw an angle here. Look, from the very bottom to the very top, as I used to draw the lines, the trend lines. That's the trend line. So it's got 111 degrees. Now, in order to find the place where the market might reverse or to find a support or resistance line, we must draw the line which is make a right angle over here. That's 90 degrees smaller. As far as we got here, look, we got 111 degrees less 90, it's 21 degrees. Let's draw a line 21 degrees. Another trend line from exact this point. 21, 26, here we go. We got 21.0. 21.1. Okay, let's make it to be exact. 21.0. As you see, we found the place where the market responds to this line. So we've got 1 point here and 1 here. Nothing special, you say. Okay, let's go further. Let's draw another line. Look, from here, from this very bottom to this very top when the market closed over here. That was the highest closure of the market. Let's draw a line here. Here we go. So we got 117.1. So another line 90 degrees smaller should be 27.1 degree, wouldn't it? Okay, let's draw it. Let's draw 27.1 degree. 27.1, roughly we are here. Okay, that's the one. Let's say it's 27.1. It's 1/10 of a degree smaller. But what can we find over here? We can find the market found a strong support line over here, support over here. We are on 4-hour chart on Euro USD, by the way. So it could be considered as support or resistance line. As well, like this one, we got two resistance lines. What's gonna happen, you reckon, if we draw another line from here? Let's try another one. Let me do it quickly. Look, here we go. 115.6. So we have to 90 degrees smaller would be 25.6. 25.6. Here we go. You see this line? This is support line, which now have become resistance. As you can see, that's the line where the price was supported. Same like here, this line support the price. It was broken. The price came back, and then it played around this line after made a travel to the next resistance level, which market stopped twice, as you can see over here. So that's the idea. But what else? What can we do else with that? I will show you. Let me show you. So let's say we got from here, we started from here. Let's get this one, this line, and let's draw it over here. Would it correspond somehow? It would, roughly. It's also 90 degree. When we move it further, whatever, when we move it further here, it also corresponds more or less. Is it okay? It is. It corresponds to this line. Look at that line. The angle is very important. Look here. Look here. From this top, we got bottom here. Look further. From this top, we got again bottom here. You see how the market behaves over here. The same story is with another one. If we get this one, it's probably the same story. They are roughly the same angle, as you can see here, as you can see here. They do not differ. The most important thing is find the right angle for the first line. When you draw the trend line over here, you will find the future support and resistance points. Same story. Let's get rid of this, and I'll show you one more, because you can do it with any impulse on the market. Even if we got impulse like, let's say, this one. We got a market falling here, yeah? Oh, it's not this. Let me get rid of this. If we got the market falling here, it will repeat in time. This angle will repeat in time over and over. Look here. This angle doesn't change. The market repeats every time. Indifferent the size of repetition, about the size of the movement we'll talk the other time. But what I want to show you here, that the market behaves as WD Gann used to say, the market behaves every time in the same way. Every time. Look at this angle. It's always the same. That's important. If you draw another line perpendicular to this one, which is, it was 111 as well, 116.8, so now 26.8, and it will be the same story, 26 point, okay, 9. Well, I will show you here when you go back, market behaves in the same way. The angle of every movement is is fit on the same line. Look how they behave. You can draw channels with this. The channel was broken recently on 17th of January because there was a channel. One line was here and another one of the line of the channel was here. It's been broken. We are now in the falling market. Yeah, the market's falling. We got the bear market, 110.30. We had 112.35 not long time ago at the end of December, beginning of January. Look what's happening here. Look at this waterfall. What's happening here? This area of waterfall was predicted, by the way. I told you before, on 13th of January, which was here, the market started falling, but still didn't manage to get up, but not very much, because on 16th, as I told you, the major reversal points with six cycles of Venus or 2 cycles of Mars was just roughly around this area. That's why the price has fallen between the others, and about other reasons we'll talk in the future videos. So guys, that's what I wanted to show you at the moment. Try to use it, try to draw those lines, and you will see on any market, it's not only Euro USD, you can try it. I did it somewhere on Australian USD. The same story. Look, this line and 90 degree, it shows exactly how it works. The other line, this line, which was drawn from the top somewhere there to the bottom, and 90 degree corresponds exactly here. You see another line drawn from here to here, or was it moved, whatever. They are all corresponding when you draw another angle here. This is 90 degrees, so basically you can move this line over here and see how it behaves further. Again, it hits over here. Every bottom or every trend up or down, you can draw those lines. Guys, I hope it helped you. If you like it, just share it with the others. Just let others know about this method. I would love if anyone will use it, because every one of you will make money in the future. That's my idea. Someone else learned it, taught me this method for free, and that's the reason why I'm giving it away for free. And you guys, if you please, just share it with the others for free. Have a nice one. Green peeps to all of you. Bye-bye.